Hey everyone, Shawn here from theautomationblog.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the backlight bulb on your classic PanelView 550 with an off-the-shelf replacement. Now, here you can see with the overhead cam, I have two different 550s. I have one that has no backlight because it has the newer style screen where the backlight is built into the LCD. On the other one, I have a PanelView 550, an old Series A, where the backlight has died. And the replacements are hard to get. They're very expensive unless you go with a third party. So we're going to try that out today. I got this one off of, well, I'll put a link on the screen to where I got it, and we'll see how it works. So first, let's go ahead and turn these units both over. And you'll see on the old Series A, there is a spot for a backlight. And you can see on the Series B there's not. Now, I've already removed this piece here. This is the lens piece, so you can see that there. And I'll put a picture on the screen of what it looked like before I removed it. So that was the first thing I had to do after removing the cover. Then the next thing I had to do here is open up the third-party lamp that I purchased. And there's instructions in here that I'll show you. I'll put them on the overhead cam. You can basically see the instructions there. And we'll just go through that right now. So the first thing, which I thought was odd, is you have to push this LED onto the fiber bundle. Actually push it on there. Get it all the way in there. Now the fiber bundle would melt if it was that close to the old incandescent. But because this is an LED and it's going to last a lot longer and it runs a lot cooler, they designed this replacement to push right on there. I thought that was a little odd. And then you tighten up the set screw here so it stays on there. I'm not going to tighten it too hard. I don't expect it'll fall off. And then we'll just push it down into the clip here. And then the last piece is to put the power connector in. Now, there's no polarity on the power connector, so I'm just going to put it on this way. And you can see it came right on. Now, if you're going to do this in the field, do that with the power off. Don't do that while it's live. But again, now you can see it's on. And what we'll do here is we'll turn them both back over. And let's see what this third-party LED makes it look like. And I'll be honest with you, I think it looks pretty great. Let me reset video. So if you were here, I know this one looks brighter, and it is because it is using the new style. It's more of a blue and white style. But as far as I'm concerned, looking at the screen, it's very bright and on par with what a new one would look like out of the box, almost. Probably 95% of the brightness that you would have with a brand new unit. Again, it's an older unit, so you're going to expect some fading. But it looks great with that very inexpensive third-party LED replacement lamp. And so that's how easy it is to replace the lamp on your old PanelView 550. Now, if you thought that video was helpful, then consider donating $1 a month to the show so we can keep making more new episodes over at patreon.com/automation. And if you do, you'll get $3 worth of free downloads every single month, including episodes of the show. And if you know anybody who would like to learn how to use panel views, PLCs, logic controllers, VUSC, please tell them to head over to theautomationschool.com, where I teach several different courses. They're all very affordable, much less expensive than going away to the factory to get training. And if you have any questions for me, please always feel free to ask them over at theautomationforums.com. I'm asking everybody from social media, from the videos, from the blog, to post all their comments right there. I check it every day. And the reason I do that is, just social media alone, there's 6 different websites. Then we have the Automation Blog, Podcast Minute. Then we have YouTube. We have all these other sites. So it's just easier for me. I just can't get to all, of those dozen sites every day to answer questions. So if you have a question, ask it on my free forums. I visit it every morning to answer questions that I know the answer to anyways. And with that, that's the end of this video. Until next time, peace.